Okay, so we've got a question about using vectors in kinematics. The particle P has velocity minus 3i plus j meters per second at time t equals 0. The particle moves with constant acceleration a is equal to 2i and 3j meters per second squared. Find the speed of the particle and the bearing on which it is travelling at time t equals 3 seconds. So what we actually want to do is work out the velocity, and then from the velocity we will be able to get the speed and bearing quite easily. So the form we're going to use is v equals u plus a t, and we can then substitute in the things we've got. So u is the initial velocity, which is the minus 3i add j. So let's put v is equal to that, and plus the acceleration, which is 2i add 3j times by the time, which is 3 seconds. So we can get the velocity by multiplying out and simplifying this expression here. So the velocity would be minus 3i add 6i, so that's 3i. And then we're going to get j add 9j, so that's 10j. And that's meters per second. And so we want to get the speed and the direction of it. So that vector would be something like this. So 3i, 10j is kind of here. So the speed is just the magnitude of the vector. So the speed, we're just doing Pythagoras. So square root of 3 squared add 10 squared. So square root of 109. Or I suppose we could actually calculate that as a decimal as well. So that's around 10.4 meters per second. Then we want to get the bearing. So the bearing is really going to be this angle here. So if I complete that triangle, we're going to get 3 and 10 there. So this angle, we'd have tan theta would be the opposite over the adjacent. So tan theta is 3/10. So we just need to do inverse tan of 3/10 to find the angle. And then that's essentially the bearing. That's the bearing of angle of 16.7 degrees. So the bearing is essentially 0.17 degrees.